Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to the settings. Let's tap on this gear icon in the right upper corner and then scroll down to find the timer. Let's tap on it. And here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. We've got the off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option I'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted. What is more, after getting back to the camera, we can see a new icon which indicates the timer. So now all we have to do is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works, and if we've got this icon applied after setting the timer, we can simply tap on it, and here we've got more options. I mean, we can simply quickly change the timer to a shorter one in my case, or turn it off completely just by tapping on this crossed out icon, and now you can see that the icon will disappear totally. So it means that if you'd like to set the timer again, you have to enter the settings, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.